Hi guys, and welcome to the Devil's Pulpit. This is Phallic Glen, and it's absolutely spectacular down here. But this morning when I came down, I noticed there's lots of debris in the main waterfall itself. Sorry if it's a bit dark at the minute, but just going to wait for that light to penetrate the glen itself. So this place here, Phallic Glen, made famous by a TV series called Outlander. The tourism down this place is absolutely diabolical at the minute. So if you want to visit this place, do make sure you get here early. The car park at the top can be very busy, and there's only room for about 6 cars, possibly 7 cars max. So be warned. So this place here, prepared to get your feet absolutely soaking wet. Just behind me, obviously, the pulpit. So I'm just playing around at the minute, just waiting for some light to penetrate the glen or the gorge, and get some nice abstract waterfall shots. I've just been up the top here, just pushed beyond this debris up here. Let me show you what I'm on about, because there's quite a bit of debris up the top. And this is like the main waterfall where everybody comes to. And you can see what I mean about the debris at the minute. So I've just pushed beyond that little bit of debris and captured some nice waterfall shots on 6-second delay. No filters needed for this. It's dark enough to slow that shutter speed down. And fantastic. As always, see me images at the end. Anyway, let's get on, get some images done, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, so I've just been playing around. I've been shooting up at the top here, the main waterfall, but there's lots of debris, and I've actually pushed down just in front of the pulpit itself, capturing these lovely cascades of waterfall stepping stones basically. And my camera setup at the minute, I'm actually shooting on f8 circular polarizer, no filters on at all. It's giving me anywhere between 2.5 seconds to 6 seconds delay. And when I'm shooting long exposures, I tend to take a test shot, and I look at it and I think, how is that water running, and what is guiding me into the picture itself. So I'll show you the back of my camera, and you can just about see how this image is working out. I've focus stacking all of this, and you can see like the lines just drawing you into the actual stepping stones to the pulpit and into the back of the glen itself. Obviously this is going to be about a 6-shot blend, and we'll see how that one turns out. But I'll see you at the next location. See you soon guys. Hi guys, and welcome to the next location. So I'm now at the falls of Phallic, and I apologise if I'm looking a bit rougher and look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards, but I'm on a bit of a road trip at the minute, covering a few waterfalls before I head into the mountains. I'm going to be spending a good 5-6 days in Glencoe itself, but first of all, let's get these waterfalls done. Absolutely spectacular. So what I'm after, nice bit of foreground here, leading line up into the waterfall. That's what I'm after. Let's see if I can capture that. It's another thing, but we'll give it a good try, and once my camera's set up, I'll give it a good go. So let's get on with it. Let's get some photography done. And as for the Devil's Pulpit, do be careful there. It's very dangerous, especially the path leading down to it. The path itself is actually eroded away, and it's very slippery down there, especially if you're footing in the water. You can step into deep gorges, so be warned. Anyway, back to the falls of Phallic. Let's get on with it and get some images done, and I'll talk you through my setup. See you in a minute. Hi guys, welcome back. So I've just been down here to capture a bit of foreground image, these rocks down here with a waterfall in the background. Do be careful when you're down this way. Very precariously holding my camera down there. I didn't want to do a vlog at the same time, far too dodgy. I would like to get to the other side, but crossing that, no chance, not a hope in hell. Fantastic place, 3 words on the screen as per all of my locations where this is. So let's move on and I'll see you at next location. Bye for now. Welcome to the next location. So this location is the Falls of Arkhan. Absolutely amazing place. There's so many compositions. Where do I start? Well, I'm going to make myself down to the rocks, of course, which is down here somewhere. I think the main subject is going to be this tree here. So let's get down there and I'll catch you there. Bye for now. Hi guys, so I'm just going to talk you through my setup at the minute on my camera. Basically, I'm shooting at f9, 2 seconds. I've got a 0.6 into the sky because it's a bit blown. I'm isolating a tree here. The foreground, I have got my lovely little cascades of waterfall, and that is it in portrait mode, and a circular polarizer on as well. So I'm not going to spend too long here in the Falls of Arkhan. I could spend all day here, I really could, but we can just get carried away. But I want to get to my next location. I'm limited for the light, so I'm going to rush to get there. A bit of a road trip. My next one's a bit of a hidden gem, and you probably won't even heard of it, but and I'll see you there. See you soon. Welcome to the next and final location, the Falls of Arkhan. I think this one's going to be my favourite. Oh, you forget how steep this hill is. So this location here is south of Loch Tay, just around the corner from Kenmore. 3 words on the screen now where this place is. So one, I want to show you this little secret, well, it's not a secret viewpoint, but it's a cracking little viewpoint. 2, where I'm going to get the image from. So see you there. Whew. Okay, let me show you this what's called the Hermit's Cave. Hermit's Cave on that sign. So 2 entrances to this. I think this is the entrance, and 20 foot up you've got the exit. You see behind me, Loch Tay. You're actually doing a circular of this. You follow the path all the way up, and I'll show you where I get my photograph done. But Hermit's Cave, let's show you this viewpoint. It's cracking. Turn the camera around for you. At that for a view. Anyway, let's get on, do some photography. Back in the cave. Welcome to the Falls of Arkhan. Look at that. Cascades of tiers of waterfalls with the pools. And just down here, there's like a chute running round. Can you see that? Fantastic. So this is not the main waterfall. This is like from the, what's called, there's actually signs back there saying the viewing platform, which is this behind me. But be careful jumping over here. It's easy going, it's not too hard, but just be careful. I mean, it's slippery sometimes. It's quite dry today, but let's get my camera set up and take some images. And up here, you can just about see there's like a leaning U-bend of a tree. Fantastic. Anyway, photograph time. Hi guys, welcome back. I just running through my flat for a minute. I'm leaning back here, you can see the camera. Obviously I'm got hard grad, not hard grad, 0.3 of a grad, sorry. Look at this blown out sky up here. I'm at F9 and I'm photostacking this again. Everything pristine. ISO 100, I'm going to bang the ISO up to about 250 and see how that turns out. Circular polarizer in because there is glare in the pools of water down there. And I'm at 18 mil. Probably get down there and I might open up to around about 16 mil. But yeah, fantastic shots here. Do visit this place, it's fantastic. And into the future, 6 days in Glencoe now, so I'm going to be up in the mountains and seeing places that never thought existed. Thanks for tuning in guys, and I'll see you in the future. Bye for now. Enjoy the images.